You want to get started with underwater photography? Well, this is all you need. Earlier this summer, we took a family vacation in Corsica. Corsica is a French territory right under the French south coast and is an outdoors paradise. One of the things I've been really drawn to and interested in over this last year is underwater photography, and it's something I really wanted to try this summer. Like most islands, Corsica is renowned for its crystal clear water, and it made it a perfect location for me to try this new style of photography. So I went out to a beach and shot a few photos. And when I posted them online, I got an amazing response, like way higher than anything before. So I thought I would do a little video today to show you a bit of behind the scenes on how we created those photos. Number one, camera. My main camera is not waterproof and an underwater housing can be a bit pricey. I don't live near the coast right now, so investing in an underwater housing is not a really smart move. So I thought my GoPro would be a good place to start. This is the Hero 7. It isn't even the latest model, so honestly any GoPro that will shoot RAW will do. Number two, inspiration. Inspire yourself from other artists. What I usually do is create a mood board. You can do that on Photoshop or use websites like I do, like Milanote, or even do it through your Instagram saved folders. For this specific shoot, I drew inspiration from various artists, bigger like Chelsea Kouai or Benjamin Ono, or even smaller like the French photographer Turquoise Mercury. Number three, pick your location. We stayed a week and we went to a different beach every day. The underwater photo shoot was planned on our last morning and I picked this specific beach because it had the best water in my opinion. The clarity of the water can make or break your photos. I picked this beach because it had very little waves, which made for very clear and calm water, and that allowed me to have very crisp and detailed images. Number four, time of day. We went to this beach for sunrise and we started shooting in the air with the drone first, then on the beach, and once the sun was high enough in the sky, we started going underwater because it's when you see the light beams going through, which I thought was the perfect time to shoot. So not right at sunrise, but a little bit later, like 9 or 10 a.m. And number five, now you got your photos, it is time to edit them. So here is the raw photo straight from the GoPro. GoPro's color doesn't do a great job at depicting what the colors actually were in the water. It definitely didn't have this greenish look. It was more an aqua blue color. So we're gonna try to change that with the white balance, add a little contrast and clarity, change up the blue luminance, tint and saturation, add a few filters, and here you go. Now that you have your edit, you paste that onto other photos taken that morning and you have something a little like this. So that's it, a quick video to show you how I started taking photos underwater. No need to break the bank and spend big money on an underwater housing. If you like the photos, you can find more on my Instagram at whereisYorick, and I'll see you in the next video.